Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing another Convoy flashlight. It's an EDC flashlight with 4 Nichia high CRI LEDs. Here are some specs and some photos how it looks. I'll post link to video description where you can find it after it will be available in the store. Today we have another Convoy EDC flashlight and it's S21D. Here's how it looks. It comes with lanyard already attached. It has some knurling, also cooling fins, and it uses 4 high CRI Nichia LEDs with tear lens. To open it, you unscrew the tail cap. Here you have the spring. Inside is 21700 battery. I ordered this flashlight with this battery and used it in all my tests. Also you can unscrew near the head. And this part is not anodized, and inside you have cylinder contact. Threads are smooth, nicely greased, and both sides has seal rings to protect the flashlight from dust and water. So design is very nice. Also the build quality is, as most Convoys, very good. And now the UI. It uses 12 groups. After you choose the group, you just press the tail cap switch to turn it on and tap to switch modes. One press again to turn it off. Simple UI. And now let's compare the beams. Here is Nichia, and here is S11 with XHP 50.2. So the beam is purple compared to XHP. This is 4000 kelvins. And this is between 4 and 4,500 kelvins. Also, the beam on S11 has hotspot because it uses reflector, and on S21D it's much smoother because it uses tear lens. So let's put S11 aside. And here is the flashlight and how it looks. So now let's move to the nighttime shots and see how it does at night. I hope you enjoyed those nighttime shots. Now let's take a look at the graphs. This flashlight, as most Convoys, has brightness stabilization on all modes. Just on turbo mode I had to use the fan, because otherwise this flashlight reaches 8 degrees Celsius. And as always, link to those graphs will be in video description. I hope you enjoyed watching my review, so some final words about this flashlight. I like the design of it, that it is compact body, and also build quality as most Convoys is very good. It uses tear lens that gives you a very smooth beam, and with Nichia high CRI LEDs you get the purple tint. Also, it has brightness stabilization on all modes, but what I don't like about it, that on turbo it reaches almost 80 degrees Celsius, and this is bad for the driver and for the battery. But I contacted Simon, and he said that he knows about this problem, and in the future he's going to fix it. So overall, I think this flashlight is very good and worth the money. And let me know what you think in the comments, and also if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe and like. And see you in the next review. So thanks for watching, and goodbye guys.